Previously posted on youtube.com/harvestarmy with the embedded date. Revelation September the 2nd, 2012. 2:16 a.m. The number is scene 2317, concerning a certain category on the internet. September the 7th, 2012. A series of quakes rattled through China, killing 89 people. News reports indicate that the earthquake started just before 11:30 a.m. Take note the numbers seen in the prophecy, 2317. 2317 military time, same as 11:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is equivalent to 11:17 a.m. China time. Around the time the quakes began, before 11:30 a.m.,